Alright, you sexy sons of bitches. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're in the Gringo and it's fucking loud in here. Those Lakes pipes are really loud. Even though I did install ghetto glass pack mufflers. I was hoping we could get this before the sun sets. Hopefully everything turns out good. We're taking it on the mountain. I'm a little nervous. It's been here before once, and the exhaust scraped on literally a crushed can of Coke. Here goes. I lowered the car way too much in the rear. It's not really a problem, but the exhaust where it intersects the frame rail comes about 3 inches down from the body. It's pretty bad. There's only like 3 inches of ground clearance. So I gotta drive very tenderly or I'll rip my exhaust out, and then it'll just be too loud. It'll have to get towed. Hopefully nothing happens, man. Hopefully this goes out without a hitch.
There's Rockabilly cats with palms real high, wearing black coats, all real gun guys. Cool skinheads with rolled up jeans, looking real rough and mighty mean. There's a rumble in Bright tonight, ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There ain't a damn thing that the cops can do. There's a rumble in Bright tonight. They some fish hooks in their collars, they got razors in their shoes. I said go, can't go, their battle cry. World of 3 is starting to brew. Now the skinheads are using blackjacks, they're looking mighty mean. They got chains wrapped around their fingers, and their heads are all shaven clean. There's a rumble in Bright tonight, ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There ain't a damn thing that the cops can do. There's a rumble in Bright tonight. Well, there ain't no man left standing, so let's all go get a beer. No team is a winner, we'll see you all next year. There's a rumble in Bright tonight, ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There ain't a damn thing that the cops can do. There's a rumble in Bright tonight, rumble in Bright tonight, rumble on the beach tonight, rumble in Bright tonight. There ain't a damn thing that the cops can do. Line right up for a sideline view, ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There's a rumble in Bright tonight.
40% of chance of rain. I'm gonna head her on home. I'm headed there now. Hopefully everything goes well. If not, I'll get wet. Not the end of the world. I got a nice heater, good AC to dehumidify the car. The only thing that I needed a couple bucks more to do the windows, but yeah, we'll do it later. Oh shit! Thanks, Nation! Hello! I feel kind of weird having people hear me talking to myself.